Hello everyone, I'm George from TSS, and in today's video we'll be unboxing the TSS multi-point door handles lever with 48mm PZ 215mm screw centres. Like all TSS handles, these are supplied boxed with the individual components inside bagged to avoid any damage in transit. You will receive your handle set. You will also receive one accessory pack. This contains 2 sets of fixings, one long and one short, 2 removable spring cassettes and a solid spindle. These particular handles are available in silver, as you can see in the video, polished chrome, polished brass, black and white. The polished chrome, silver and polished brass are salt spray tested to 240 hours. All of the handles are cycle tested to 50,000 operations. I'll go over the handle measurements with you now. These handles are in line, so both sides are identical. You have a 48mm PZ, backplate measurement of 246mm by 32mm, screw centres of 215mm. Your top screw to the centre of the spindle is 95mm, and then the base of the Euro to the centre of the bottom screw is 47mm. Thank you for watching.